Customized aluminum container filling sealing machine. Easy loading of empty aluminum containers. One button to start machine. No capsules, no filling sensor. Servo filling system. Also can have liquid filling system on this machine. Clean the sealing ring. Pre-cut lids pick and place. Roll film system is also available. No lids, no sealing sensor. Twice sealing systems. Sealing surface cleaning system. Inline scale to check every part's weight. It will reject unqualified parts. Output to conveyor. Get newest videos from AFPAK. Subscribe now.